हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। सब कैसे हैं आप? मैं कि जहाँ में आपका स्वागत है। दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट वीडियो एंड प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें अगर आपको अच्छी लगे। तो आज हम बात करेंगे पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के बारे में। अगर हम इसे सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कहें तो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट है क्या? पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट है कि खुद को कैसे मेंटेन करें और अपनी पर्सनालिटी को कैसे इन्हांस करें। तो लोग सोचते हैं कि हम कैसे अपनी पर्सनालिटी को इन्हांस करेंगे, हम काले हैं, हम गोरे हैं, इससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। मीन्स एक मोटिवेशन होनी चाहिए अपने अंदर। अगर आपके मन में किसी चीज़ के लिए मोटिवेशन है तो क्या नहीं पॉसिबल है? तो आइए शुरू करते हैं टॉपिक के साथ। अब इसकी डेफिनेशन है क्या एग्जैक्टली? पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट को अगर हम 3 वर्ड्स में जानना चाहें तो इसका मीन्स है ग्रोथ इन पर्सनल नेचर, ग्रोथ इन पर्सनल कैरेक्टर, प्रोग्रेस, इवैल्यूएशन, मैच्योरिंग, मेकअप, डिपोजिशन, करेक्टर और persona. But I think the best makeup a woman can wear is her smile. So keep smiling every day. Don't bother about the society, what they say about you. Therefore, a person can at any time develop his or her personality through conscious effort towards the attainment of a better self. So, should your first priority should be your self care, because if you are fit and fine, if you are maintained, then you can take care of others. And why not? This is a life, this is a one shot life. So we should be first ourselves. So let us talk. Personality is the sum of total of our outer personality and inner qualities. Inner qualities are which qualities? Which are hidden in our. So come up with that hidden qualities and make your whole lifestyle change, through which you can say one day that yes, I have achieved something in my life. Yes. And don't be a demotivator. Don't ever never demotivate yourself in life, because demotivation can never help you to reach to your goal, to your success, to your ambitions. And don't be bothered about demotivators, and never go to the person who demotivates you. Never listen to him or her. There should be a power in you, a thinking power in you, that you can and you will. That power will enhance you and makes you to achieve your dreams. Now we come to the types of personality. There are 3 types of personality that a person have. I say that means there are so many, but main there are 3. Like first we can say there is a quote which reads, there are people who make things happen, there are people who watch things happen, and there are people who ask what happened. So which one is the best? First is, there are so many types of personality, as I tell you. Yeah, as there are people on earth, each uniquely wonderful. Some win, some lose, depending on how much they develop their personalities every and each day. So first personality, which is the extrovert. What does the extrovert means now? The extrovert means bold, daring, fun-loving, always communicating first, and attempting to be a can-do person. Now we come to the introvert, who is a person who is reserved, shy, and responding to communication first, and attempting communication to the first, yeah, with some persuasion. Also a can-do person, but within closed doors. He will not be open like the extrovert. And now there is ambivert. That what should we have to achieve in your life? That will make sure your the personality developed. How? Because an ambivert is that person who is a middle ground holder, check and acts depending on the situation the person is in, content, and we want to be this in the life. And two others are that are negative and positive, that we all know. Positive is who is plus charge, willing to take chances, success more often than fails, and treats failures as steps towards success. And second one is the negative, who is always been active, minus, rarely smiles, blames others instead of taking charge. So we have to be ambivert and positive, and be separated from the negatives, because there should be always positive vibes and positive mind, not negative mind and negative vibes. So we can understand personality with the above 5 categories, although various combination of the 5 exist to create even more categories. So be positive in life and enjoy your life to the fullest. Don't let someone to take your life in their hands, because this is your life. You have to fulfill it. No one will come to fulfill it. You have to struggle. You have to make your own path to succeed. No one will be there to help you. As we listen that the man come on the earth, or a person come on the earth alone. He lives alone and he dies alone. Then we have to take decisions of our own life. We should be independent in life. We should not depend on others, that they will do something for us. Why? We don't have that dare. We don't have that say on the piece that we can and we will. So we should be ambivert in the life, which makes us perfect. Ambivert means in simple words that a person which maintain a balance in the life. It acts according to the situation. Yeah, we have to keep in mind that be always positive. Don't be negative, and don't bother about the people that what they say. Falls and downs. Always keep going in the life, but never give up. What? Never give up in your life, because if you give up, then how can you be motivated to the next step of your life? How? So make your life change. Sit in a lone place or at a peace place and think about your life. Think about yourself for 5 minutes only 5 minutes. You will find the answers and solution on your own, and then you will start working on yourself when you find the answers that yes, here I need improvement. So change your life and be to the fullest and achieve your goals. Don't bother about up and downs, but be a hard worker. Be a hard worker, because hard work is very important in life to achieve something. So personality development have many aspects in many phases. It's include different phases. Like in personal aspect, we can maintain our personality through body, and in other aspects, like if we take example that we go for a job, so what they see first, They see our dressing sense, they see our dressing style, they see our body language. Yeah, they see our sitting and all postures of our body while we communicate. They see our pronunciation skills, they see our actions and all. They see our eye contact. And the best which you lead to success is what? Confidence. Be confident in your life in every phase and every time, because confidence is the most powerful weapon. Never lose it. Whether you are a girl or a boy, be at your peace, be bold, be dare. Don't be afraid of anyone in your life. So, change your life, be developed, be progress with the society. So, and don't worry ki I am like this, I am like that, people say about this, but every person's time comes in life. So, be ourselves, okay? Never lose confidence and never give up. Never give up and always do hard work. Whatever you are doing in your life, be dedicate the whole to that thing to achieve something. Thank you everyone. I will meet you with my new video, and please like and subscribe to my channel. My channel's name is Naina Ka Jahan. This is my first video on YouTube. I hope all will like, and I will share the link. Thank you so much.